everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I want to thank you for stopping by today. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to cut a cabbage. I got a subscriber request and she was asking how do I cut my cabbage, because I did a video on New Year's about cabbages and greens and stuff like that. So what I do, and I'm sorry I did this ahead of time, these are some gourd leaves. Your cabbage will come with, some leaves that are like this, and they're gourd leaves, just like when you have roses. There's some gourd petals, and they're like this, and they're guarding the head of the lettuce. So I take those off and inspect them, and because they may have pests in them. Sometimes I get organic cabbages and they do have pests in these gourd leaves and everything. So you see the core, the root right here. Just clean that up. See that? I'm going to cut that down. And as a caterer, I always advise people that work for me, we do everything with the flat side down. We don't do anything where it's wobbling around, okay? We don't do that. Okay, so you see where these roots are, these veins right here. And you see it right there. My first cut is against that grain. And use your heaviest, sharpest chef knife. Okay, so you see where that is? Don't cut right there. Cut against that. Okay, so then you see in here, you see the little root, the core. Okay, and then we're going to cut that flat. Lay that down. You'll see the core right there. You'll see it really prominently right there. This is when you follow. Okay, so it's not much there. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to put this to the side. I'm going to cut this core. I'll cut that out. Okay, it's nothing on this one. We bypass the core. Here's right here. We're going to get that. Okay, just put it all aside. Get that cord. That's the cord. I've been doing some other work. I kept saying cord, but that's the core of our cabbage. Okay, now I cut mine, lay it on a flat side, a flat surface. So if I'm making coleslaw, I'll go on in. I'm going to use that for stir fry. Put it in a bowl. Okay, put that in a bowl. And the other one, lay it on a any flat side. Thin slices. Okay. keep it like that. And this is like for my stir fry, okay? And then if I'm going to just fry some cabbage, make some chunks out of it. Okay. Now say if I want to make some coleslaw, I'll take some of those slices that I made and just dice it. Dice it down. See, if it's just 1 or 2 people, you can have one day, you can make some coleslaw with one, especially now that cabbage is really getting high. It used to be a cheap, healthy vegetable. Or if you want to do it like this and chop it down really fine and make some riced cabbage. And if you don't want to get cauliflower, I like the taste of cabbage better than cauliflower, so I use it as a grain. Okay, do that. Gotta find another bowl. Oh, my camera moved. I'm sorry, you probably didn't see all that. So that's how I dice it. Just in case you missed that, just get your cutting board. This is my Martha Stewart knife. It's a good knife. Okay, so go on and do that. And guess what? A lot of people don't rinse. I rinse my cabbage because, you know, it is a plant. Plants are in the ground, and there's sometimes you might get a pest or something. You know, even though these are tight, you know, these worms and stuff can make their way in these little crevices. So, you know, do that. I make sure. So here are my julienne. Here my diced cabbage if I want to make like some fried cabbage. And then here, let's see if we can do a nice just thin strips. Always work on the flat side of anything. Like if you have an orange, anything that's round, you have an orange, you cut it in half. You even supposed to cut the base. Cut a base and make a flat surface so it won't roll around on you. That's a very fine julienne. So that's how you cut a cabbage. Now, there are times do take these leaves. They look good. If I'm doing an event, I use these leaves to line for decorating, like to line a platter. And I'll go on and cut that big woodsy stem off. These look good. I'll take a little of that off because the greener the leaf, the healthier it is. Alright, so I won't use but a little of that. So you can use those, or like I stack them like this. I'll roll them really tight, roll the leaves. Make a nice chiffonade. Keep your fingertips under. And let your thumb push it through. Isn't that beautiful chiffonade? Excuse me, I almost sneezed. Okay, so that, now my surface is messy. So that's how cut a cabbage. Cut it in cubes. Slice it for stir fry. You can also do this as a nice stir fry. We diced it for like riced cabbage or for coleslaw. Thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye, Mom. Okay, so which way am I going to make it today? I don't know. I got options. All right, bye. Bye, guys.